The Constitution of Sri Lanka is the supreme law of the Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka. It was first adopted in 1978 and has undergone several amendments. Since then, the Constitution provides the framework for the governance of the country, establishes the structure
and powers of the government, and safeguards the fundamental rights and freedoms of its citizens. Here are some of the salient features of the Sri Lankan Constitution. 1. Democratic Republic. Sri Lanka is described as a democratic socialist republic, where the sovereignty is vested in the people and exercised through their representatives elected by universal suffrage. 2. Executive Presidency. The Constitution establishes an executive presidency where the president is both the head of state and the head of government. The president is directly elected by the people and holds significant executive powers. 3. Separation of powers. The Constitution upholds the principle of the separation of powers by dividing the functions of the government into 3 branches: the executive, the legislature, and the judiciary. This separation ensures a system of checks and balances. 4. Parliament. The Constitution establishes a unicameral parliament, known as the Parliament of Sri Lanka, which is the supreme legislative body. It consists of elected representatives, known as members of parliament, MPs, who make laws and govern the country. 5. Fundamental rights. The Constitution guarantees a comprehensive set of fundamental rights to every citizen, including the right to equality, freedom of speech and expression, freedom of religion, right to life, and protection against discrimination. These rights are protected by the judiciary and can only be restricted under certain circumstances. 6. Official language. The Constitution recognizes Sinhala and Tamil as the official languages of Sri Lanka. It ensures the right of citizens to use, enjoy, and develop their respective languages. 7. Buddhism as state religion. The Constitution recognizes Buddhism as the foremost religion in Sri Lanka, while also guaranteeing the freedom of religion to all citizens. 8. Provincial Councils. The Constitution provides for the establishment of provincial councils, which are subordinate to the central government. These councils have devolved powers to govern certain matters at the regional level, promoting decentralization and regional autonomy. 9. Independent Judiciary. The Constitution establishes an independent judiciary to interpret and uphold the law. It ensures the separation of the judiciary from the executive, safeguarding the impartiality and fairness of the legal system. 10. Amendment procedure. The Constitution's specific procedure for amending its provisions. Amendments require a 2/3 majority in Parliament, and, in some cases, it's important to note that the information provided above is based on the Sri Lankan Constitution as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021. Since constitutions can be subject to amendments and changes over time, it is recommended to refer to the latest version or consult authoritative sources for the most up-to-date information. Thanks for watching this video, and also subscribe Advocate Buzzard Shah channel.